When accidents happen at home, school, in sports and recreation, in the car, camping or traveling, people want to help, but they're not sure what to do, and they don't want to hurt the patient or get sued. Wouldn't it be amazing for people to have their own emergency assistant right on their phone?
Hi, I am your emergency assistant. What is wrong with the patient?
With the Ready First Aid app, you can have the voice and touch prompts to guide you step by step through a procedure, giving you the confidence to start care within the first few critical minutes before 911 emergency services arrive and make a huge difference to the patient's outcome. Ready First Aid gives you over 130 first aid treatment procedures like how to stop bleeding, treat burns and broken bones, hypothermia, anaphylaxis, and treat an overdose like fentanyl. Our procedures and content meet the guidelines established by Health Canada, Heart and Stroke Foundation, and the new CSA First Aid standards. The emergency assistant's voice is programmed to only read our approved content and cannot randomly search the web, so users can trust the information they are being given. The emergency and disaster section gives procedures for house and structural fires, handling severe weather, man-made incidents, and violence. The information section has numbers and links for hundreds of phone numbers and official websites. The Kids Helpline, Poison Control Center, and Suicide Hotline. Canada-wide hydro outages and wildfire maps give people real-time location mapping. The Prevention and Preparedness section gives you focused checklists with prevention and safety tips for infants and toddlers, children, high school and post-secondary students, adults, and seniors. As well, there is a section on how to make a home emergency plan, vehicle safety kits, and how to put together a 72-hour emergency preparedness kit. We can't only rely on the emergency services and community resources. Each family needs to do their part to improve the overall safety and community preparedness. It's ideal for families, students, coaches, and community organization members. Become a willing bystander and respond with confidence. Your family and friends will all be glad you did.